Is it time to buy or sell Nvidia stock? In this video, we will explore Nvidia in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 24th of September, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with a more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest insights. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 24th of September, 2024, our system has identified Nvidia as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 2.70. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this assessment to see how it develops in the upcoming days. The stock is currently positioned near the upper part of a very broad and declining trend in the short term. This situation often presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction towards the lower part of the trend is likely. A breakthrough at the upper trend line, currently valued at $125.84, would initially indicate a slower decline and could be a preliminary sign of a shift in the trend. The ongoing 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of approximately 7.69% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decrease of 28.65% to a decrease of 3.89%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a significant change of 154.17% over the next year, with potential returns between 126.10% and 240.18%. This projection translates to a price range between $273.28 and $411.17 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Nvidia features the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for Nvidia Stock Price After Tuesday Trading. On the most recent trading day, which was Tuesday, the 24th of September, 2024, the Nvidia stock price experienced an increase of nearly 4%, rising from $116.26 to $120.87. During this trading session, the stock experienced fluctuations of over 5%, with a low of $115.38 and a high of $121.80. Over the course of the last 2 weeks, the stock has seen an overall rise of nearly 12%. Notably, trading volume increased alongside the price, which signals positive momentum. A total of 141 million more shares changed hands compared to the previous day. In total, 340 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $41.13 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached a peak price of $140.76, while the lowest price recorded was $39.23. Currently, the stock price stands at 14%, or $19.89, below the 52-week high of $140.76, which also represents the all-time high for this stock. Nvidia's stock experienced significant movement today, largely driven by CEO Jensen Huang's completion of a planned sale of over $700 million in shares, as detailed in regulatory filings. This sale has generated mixed reactions, especially among investors who are concerned about ongoing insider selling. However, many analysts argue that such liquidations can be routine, particularly when linked to compensation structures. On the other hand, Nvidia shares surged nearly 4% today, outperforming the Nasdaq's modest gains. This rally follows the stock's successful breach of the $120 resistance level after a period of weakness. With a clean momentum in the tech sector, fueled in part by positive sentiment surrounding a potential recovery in the broader market due to fiscal stimulus in China. Nvidia stands to gain significant traction. Furthermore, recent comments from Microsoft's chief technology officer regarding the early stages of the artificial intelligence revolution further enhance Nvidia's strategic positioning in the tech landscape. The combination of strong market sentiment, forward-thinking leadership insights, and Huang achieving his stock sale targets may signal a positive shift in investor confidence. In the short term, these factors suggest that Nvidia could sustain its upward momentum, potentially driving the stock back towards its previous valuation highs. Long-term, the company's role in the rapidly evolving artificial intelligence sector will be crucial for sustained growth, making it a stock worthy of close observation. Analyst ratings. On Monday, September 23, 2024, it was reported that Bernstein assigned Nvidia a rating of outperform with a recommendation to hold. On Thursday, September 19, 2024, it was reported that Oppenheimer also rated Nvidia as outperform with a recommendation to hold. On the same day, Morgan Stanley rated Nvidia as underweight, indicating a downgrade. On Wednesday, September 18, 2024, it was reported that William Blair gave Nvidia an outperform rating with an initiate action. Finally, on Wednesday, September 11, 2024, Goldman Sachs rated Nvidia as a conviction buy with a recommendation to hold. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Nvidia stock. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. However, when it comes to return on investment, analysts rate the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Nvidia. The chart presents a predominantly positive outlook today. Nvidia stock is generating buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected at $116.68 and $116.30. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 6th of September, 2024, and thus far the stock has appreciated by 17.54%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal has also been generated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing in tandem with the price, which is regarded as a positive technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 13 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 41 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 6 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 6 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 6 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 214 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Nvidia. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $109.21 and $107.27. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is breached, the stock may then decline to the next support level. In this case, Nvidia finds support just below today's level at $109.21. If this level is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $107.27 and $100.45. This stock experiences average movements throughout the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, The stock moved $6.42 between its high and low, which is 5.56%. Over the last week, the stock has demonstrated a daily average volatility of 3.25%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Nvidia, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued, or alternatively, that investors anticipate significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2025 is expected on the 19th of November, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 74 cents. Keep a close watch on these figures, as they can have a substantial impact on stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Nvidia. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Nvidia is at 123.54. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Nvidia encounters its first support level at 109.21. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The overall average rating for Nvidia, derived from various analyst sources, is considered neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 19th of September 2024, Cox Tench executed an insider sale of 1 million shares of common stock. On the 20th of September 2024, Cox Tench conducted another insider sale, this time of 202,978 shares of common stock. On the same day, Cox Tench sold an additional 797,022 shares of common stock. On the 18th of September 2024, Puriage executed an insider sale of 61,705 shares of common stock. Also on the 18th of September 2024, Huang Zhenshun conducted an insider sale of 63,870 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 97.142. In total, insiders purchased 48,359 shares, while selling 3,900,226 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $116.20, which represents a decrease of 3.87%. This stock experiences moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. There is a buy signal based on a pivot bottom identified 25 days ago. Is Nvidia stock a good buy? Several short-term signals are positive. Despite the stock being in a downward trend, we conclude that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for the stock to perform well in the short term. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a sell recommendation to a buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 25th of September, we expect Nvidia to open down $1.52, starting at a price of $119.35. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Please do not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with best regards from all of us here at StockInvest.